The terms Lindy Hop, Jitterbug, Lindy, Rock and Roll and Swing are used interchangeably by the public. The single swing or rock and roll jive taught here is particularly suited to fast rock and roll type music, so that is our target genre. The rock and roll basic consists of 4 steps, 2 slows and 2 quicks. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. To lead his partner into the underarm turn, the lead rocks anti-clockwise 90 degrees to the left and behind after the quick quick. He then performs a second basic 90 degrees to the first, which allows the lady to pass and turn under his arm. The third basic rotates back to his original position following the lady's progress back to where you both started. To execute the turn, the lead pivots forward 90 degrees to the right, clockwise, after the quick quick on the first slow. He then pivots 180 degrees to the left, anti-clockwise, on the second slow. The anti-clockwise rotation continues during the quick, quick, until the lead is in the opposite direction to his starting position. Repeat to return to starting position. To execute the American spin, the lead steps forward on his left after the quick quick, transferring his weight over his left foot, leading the lady into the American spin while also spinning anti-clockwise himself. The pattern changes will be called on the 1 count before the pattern is due to start. Finish the basic that the pattern change is called. The track used is quite fast, so the line-up tempo starts off slow, increasing in 4 stages until the final section is at full speed. Rock and roll basic. Lead for underarm turn. Change to lead turn. Leads American spin. The music tempo is about to increase. Lead for underarm turn. Change to lead turn. Leads American spin. The music tempo is about to increase. Lead for underarm turn. Change to lead turn. Leads American spin. The music tempo is about to increase. Lead for underarm turn. Change to lead turn. Leads American spin. Lead for underarm turn. Change to lead turn. Leads American spin. Lead for underarm turn. Change to lead turn. Leads American spin. Lead for underarm turn. Latinquarter is a dance school based in Northern Ireland. We are teachers and performers in a wide range of dances. These include all the dances in the following dance groupings: ballroom, Latin, Argentine tango, swing, salsa. The girls would also perform, though not teach, hip-hop in its various forms and a variety of commercial solos and group dances in most of our performances. Remember the Zimbabwean proverb: if you can walk you can dance. If you can talk you can sing. Thank you for viewing our video and look forward to seeing you at the classes or social dances. Thank you for joining us in the lineup, or for simply viewing the video. If you are interested in classes, give us a shout on 077098964995.